Well, you know what time it is? It is time to keep working on the airplane. Didn't have a chance to work on it today at all. When I got here though, I noticed that the good ferry came by and sanded everything down, top and bottom for me, and put on all these really nice gussets, and came back and removed the staples. When the glue hardens another day or so, I'll run the sander back across it again, but it just come out very nice. If you look down it, you'll see the curve of the members all match up pretty good. So good look on that elevator. And it's pretty daggone straight too. So very happy with that. This will end up getting some hinges on it when I get the metal on it. I have very little woodworking left I can do. I might be able to do a little bit on this turtle deck. I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm missing some stuff, but I did happen to have a few more metal components that I can do stuff with. Here I've got a piece laid out that's going to go right inside of here, and it's going to hold the elevator control cable in place. Looks like if you had a motorcycle, you know, where your motorcycle cable hooks in, and anyway, it's going to come in here 7 inches from the end. Got a little spot here for the cable to go through, which I need to ream it out. I didn't have a 5/8 bit, I have a 9/16. I went ahead and pre-drilled the mounting holes. It's got a slight shape on it. Remember, the back of the plane's got a little taper. And then I've got these 4 L brackets, I guess you call them. And they're going to mount on the side of the fuselage. One here and one here. And that's how we're going to bolt down that horizontal stabilizer. So I've already got it marked, and I've got the holes pre-drilled. So I am going to cut them out right now and sand them up, make them work up. But I had to get my trusty safety glasses on. When I'm doing metal work, you always want safety glasses on when you're doing metal work, and even gloves. I'm not going to have any gloves though, but a lot of times when I cut on the bandsaw, I don't wear safety glasses when I'm doing little wood components. And I had Steely yell at me, thank you Steely, one of our contributors and subscribers, noting one day, you know, I need my safety gear on. He's right. But let's go cut these out. Be right back. All right, we got this piece here. Up inside here like this. Right fit, it does. It's really good. No, a little tight. I need to slide it another 1/2 inch to see what's touching. Just a smidgen right here. Vision right there too. Got a good angle on it though, pretty much. Kind of sanded. Like my holes will be okay. We're going to take on this side here. Oh yeah. Money right there. So that is ready to go. I need to enlarge this hole a little bit still, but easier to do now than before I mount it. These two little holes here, cable comes from the front, hooks to your harness, comes all the way through the turtle deck here, comes through here, goes down right here in this hole, around this clutch cable component, and back out the hole and back to the other side of the harness. So this holds the elevator control cable as well as the top of your harness. Let me get a few more ready. Woo! Okay. So, got these little components built, and I can actually install them. Probably want to put a little more varnish behind where they go. Okay. We got all this ready. These blocks here, after this goes in, it mounts like this, and this block's going to go in there as a thrust block. So if I do crash and the harness pulls real hard, it'll get another piece just locking that in. It's already got bolts. Apparently when you crash, a lot of force to it. All right, I got this little part here, 302, just a little U channel, and it gets cut up in little pieces and holes drilled in it, and they're the little brackets that hold down from your horizontal stabilizer up to the vertical stabilizer and back down. Let me see what these dimensions are. While I'm in the process of doing metal work, might as well knock it out, right? It says they're 1.25 inches long. With 2 holes drilled in it. The hole is 7/16 from the bottom, 9/32 from the end. Huh. 7/16 from the bottom. Bring my little square. Here we go. This is where my 7/16 holes go. They're 1.25 inches long. I got a little metal scribe here I've been using too. Like all these metal bits. They're sharp. They're 1.25 inches. Kerf is pretty wide on this bandsaw. What do you give you just enough stock to do it? Let's see. Pencil lines and stuff, ink, whatever you use. Unless you use some kind of grease pencil, doesn't stay on here. So I do these lines here. We have the length, and we have the top of the bolt hole, 7/16 up, 2nd, yeah. 9:32. Black dot to get me going. Second. Yeah. 30 seconds from that hole on the bottom is the bottom hole where it mounts to the wing. So a total of 28:30 seconds. 7/8 of an inch. That's where we're going to go from in. Won't be long, we'll be playing some Christmas songs right here, won't we? I'll tell you that. Now the center of this. Got things small. I think lightweight. Shrink per pound. Alright, these holes are 3/16. Let me drill down, be right back. Woo boy. Machine shop world. Alright. We got a bunch of little components here. Let me get a little close up here. So this is what I accomplished tonight. One bracket, I'll screw it on later. Get this hole right here. Make sure it's exactly 5/8. Fits this cable right here. This cable right here. It's right in there. And I can see that it don't quite fit. But if you saw that, that's where it goes. Cable right there. Then we had these ones. 4 of them. And then these ones here. Looks like what you see on a boat, huh? Like on a mounting rail on a boat or something. Pretty similar. Airplanes and boats are very similar. Would you believe it or not, it's been another beautiful day in southeastern Virginia. It rained last night a little bit. The ground was hardly wet when we woke up. It ain't rained much in the past month. We did receive the latter rains, for the harvest and the crops. I think the farmers did pretty good this year. The corn might have been a little dry, but overall everybody did pretty good. Nobody's trying the blues too bad. But God's sure blessing us around here. Hope he's blessing you. Remember, it's a two-way street. So God do something for you, do something for him. There's a lot out there to do, and there's a lot of people need help. Some people just need a word of encouragement. I hope you can do that today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next episode, and try to find something else to do about our materials. I think I'm going to give David T. Minimax a call right now and see what my stuff is. All right, take care, guys. Good night.